Yay! Let's try some Czech Republican snacks. This is a freak of my life. Please call 911. Gosh, look at this matcha. Hey yo! Now I'm in Czech Republic and we are going to do a quick little run. It's very out of a sudden. We were on our way, but we had to do some grocery shopping because we had nothing to eat. So we are going to buy something very quickly and then we will continue to drive to Deutschland. Now let's shop. We stopped at a place like this. There's Burger King, Lidl, and some other Czech stores. And maybe we can go to the M2. There's a pet shop here. We'll go and check Lidl. Where's the entrance? Here is the entrance. Yes. Yes, I have no coins with me. I hope we will find a free trolley. And no. Yeah, they're all tied up. We can get a bucket. Let's go. €1 is nearly 24 Czech crowns. So we will split every price to 24 or 25. It will be easier, but it will take a few minutes. I hope here is very cheaper compared to Deutschland, but we will see. We will check after we shop together. I will get a tortilla wrap as usual, because we love tortilla wraps so much. It's so good to not eat a bread because it's summer and we have to lose weight, and then we eat tortilla wraps. Okay, now we have corn wraps and regular ones, and then whole wheat wraps. I think I will get one corn and one whole grain. I found something weird. I don't know what is it. It's looking like a caviar. We'll try that one. He came like a Superman with a coin. Let's move our stuff. Maybe we can get a sweet treat like a waffle. Yeah, I was thinking to get some fruit or veggies, but I think I will get frozen ones. We can get some bananas. And of course we will get some bread. I said that I won't buy any bread, but we can get some, right? What is this? Is this a croissant or a bread? I don't know. You can get that small medium baguettes and some croissants maybe. I think I will get a ground beef. It's very easy and a good protein source. Yes. I will get 2 sandwiches because those are really a lifesaver. Isn't it so cute? Maybe we can try one. Savory, I don't know what they say. Yeah. Everywhere is potato in Germany, and here everywhere is carrot, I think. They look so good. I bought one in Germany. It tastes like hell. Maybe I can get one. And I think this is the hot one. I will translate. Tea. I found something like this. It says garlicky, cheesy, and spicy spread. I will have one, and we have the same one with avocado. I will get 2. Yes. We can eat tiramisu, but they have also dessert and pistachio and chocolate. Chocolato. I don't know what is it, but nah. I think I'll go with the tiramisu. If you haven't tried this one before, this is very good, very easy to make and very tasty. You need to cook them, nearly fry them with a little bit oil, but it's very crunchy and very tasty. You should try them. And see, there's Czech Republican snacks here. I would like to have all of them, but of course we will choose. Sugar icing, spiced gingerbread glazed, filled lemon, and some cakes. Everything looks so delicious, I cannot decide. Ilmu pattern biscuits. And some cookies, and more cookies. These are my favorites. Yes, I will get them. You want some? Yeah, we will get 4. They're very delicious. I love waffles. Waffles can be eaten in all seasons. It's very light and very sweet too. So I can buy more waffles. Maybe 1 from each. Oh, there's coconut. Yes, we can try coconuts. And what is it? I don't know what is this, but we can. Nah, I won't. I don't buy that. There's some other waffle brand here under. Yes, we will try that too. It's with protein. Yes. I think this is enough. We will try them together. We found something interesting. I think this is some nut spread. We will try them. 1 cucumber, as usual. And we should get some salad mixes. Yeah, this looks okay. This is hygiene oil with detergent fragrance. Let's put some fragrance on. Because it's weekend, we can eat chips. Let's choose one. It's sea salt, I think. There is Lay's. Yeah, we can go with this. It looks good. We have chibule one, and with paprika. And it's fromage. Yes, maybe we can. Yes, sweet chili. Sweet chili is always yes. And there's some Italian aisle. We have lasagna and different kind of pastas here. And there's cheesecake. But we bought 2 different desserts, so we cannot buy anymore. Some different kind of oils. Yeah, Italian oil is done. Yeah, we have some fun but unnecessary stuff with this last 3 aisle, I think. Yeah, we have drinks here. Maybe we can get some, but I need to check if it's cheaper here or in Deutschland. I don't know. But isn't it so cute? Cherry blossom gin. Japanese style. Maybe we can buy something soft, like my cocktails, as usual. Something like this, blood orange spritz, so chilled, aromatized, wine based. I don't like wine based. Nah, I like gin based or vodka based or yeah, only these 2. Gosh, look at this matcha. So cutie. Yeah, I think this aisle is only on sale. Yeah, we can try some local drinks. This is Caesar cactus. I think it's lemonade with aloe vera. And we can try mango. I think this is aloe vera, and this is cherry. Oh, lychee. No, this is lychee. Yeah, we can try those 3. We can get some eggs. We should always eat eggs, always. Yeah, maybe we can have some fun with this 3 color 40 something pasta. We always drink iced latte, so those are looking so sweet. Mango and passion fruit. I don't know. I've already bought 3 drinks. Should I get those? Since it's summer and pretty hot, I think we can use some sparkly drinks. Found some very different and rare stuff here. It says seasoning spray, seasoning lemon, and seasoning spray onion, and we will try them both. Yeah, we need to buy some yogurts. It's nah. We eat 10% fat. Yes, I found it. Yeah, it was very cheap. So we will get those. And it says it's for soup, but can't we saute? This is fine. Look. I wonder how much it will cost. I don't want to know how much euros is it. I think I will be okay. Let's go to DM. We need a few urgents. Let's go. This is the dream of my life. 8% right now. You have to subscribe now because I'm a little bit suicidal right now. So you have to subscribe. Please subscribe. Nice background sound, huh? I will be okay. I will be okay. I will be okay. Yay! Let's try some Czech Republican snacks. We have so much stuff here, and then we have a drink. Let's start because we have so much to taste. I would like to start with something savory, so I would like to try this chips first. It says, I don't know what it says, but I think it's something with green onion and sour cream. That's my guess. Yeah, it smells like Pringles with sour cream and onion. It's looking like this. Yeah. Definitely with sour cream. It's incredible. I miss eating chips because I can't eat because I'm too fat. And then I was so curious about something. I don't know what is this, but they have something like this. I think it's with vanilla. It has vanilla filling in the middle. Let's see what's inside, and coconut flakes around. It's something like this. It's very different. I don't know what this is. It's like a biscuit cookie dough around, and some vanilla and some vanilla filling inside. It's like this. I won't finish all of them, of course. And we have the same thing with nuts, with walnut, and I think peanuts, with peanut. Let's try the nuts first. I love trying different country snacks. It's like a hobby to me. It's looking like this. Like a little sausage. It has like some alcoholic taste. I don't like it. Vanilla is better. Way better. And next, a peanut one. Vanilla is quite better. No coconut flakes around. It's looking like a marzipan. I wonder if they've gone bad, but mm-mm, mm-mm. It's like banana, but banana gone very bad. It's a very no. Between these three, vanilla is the best. And let's get some drink. We have this extra large Relax brand drink. It says limonada. It's something with lychee lemonade. It's like basically like this. And it's pink. Yeah, it's not very sweet. It's very refreshing. I will definitely buy this all the time if I was living in Czech Republic. Yeah, Relax with lychee, incredible. I bought two more flavors, like with aloe vera and mango, but I can't open all of them at the same time, so I will try them in my short videos. So you need to subscribe and wait for my short videos. This is very good, by the way. And then we have some waffles. I love waffles. Waffles are literally the best snack for me because I don't like chocolate. It's too much. It's always too much for me. But I like something sweet once in a day. So waffles are the best options. We have three kind of waffles. Something with coconut. Something, I think, chocolate, covered with chocolate. I think this one's too. I don't know what's the difference. So let's start with the coconut one. I love coconut. I love coconut in everything. In my perfume, in my food. I love coconut everywhere. It smells a little bit funny. I hope it will taste good. I think they were out of chocolate somehow. I don't. Let's try. Oh yeah, it's very fresh, very soft and crumbly in my mouth. I love this kind of waffles. It's amazing. There are not so much waffle options here in Deutschland. I have my favorite waffle in Lithuania. It's incredible. I've never tasted like this before and after, and I don't know, in any time. It's just amazing. It's something like Twix or Twix with coconut. It's just my favorite. I bought them like 10 or 20 pieces every time I go to Lithuania. But this is pretty good. I love waffles. And Deutschland, please, more waffle products, please, please. So let's try the other one. Let's go with this one. Yeah, it's another brand. It's a different brand. It's half covered chocolate again. Let's taste test. Same kind of waffle. Yeah, it's just melting in my mouth. It's very good, but this one is better. Not this one. This is better. Let's put it in our place and try the other one, the gray one. Some freaky fly is flying in front of my eyes and I hate them. I literally hate flies. And this is the only thing I don't like about summer. It's looking like the same. Mm. No, no, it's like I'm chewing butter in a very bad way. No, 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 don't buy this. Don't buy the gray one. And we have some other brand called Roger, I think. It's with nuts and peanuts. It's basically with some mixed nuts. I think I'm gonna be sick after this video. It's too much sweet. I hate when I do this, it doesn't come out. I just hate that. I need to open all of them, and it's not good. It's crumbling out. It's looking like this. I don't taste any nuts. It's just waffle chocolate and some cream inside, but no nuts inside. This is the best one. I would like to buy this one when I go back to Czech Republic. And we have some pastry with hashash. I think, I don't know what, I don't know its English name. It's with something with hashash. I don't know if it's sweet or savory. Let's try it out. I think it's sweet. It's looking like this. And we don't have this one in Deutschland too. Yes, it's definitely with hashash. It's like something with cacao filling inside, but not too much cacao. Instead of cacao, there is more hashash. Nah, I won't buy this again. Please call 911. Yeah. And the last one. This a local brand. I think it's a local brand. Tortilla chips with sweet chili flavor. It's my favorite flavor. I think I have two favorite flavors. One is green onion and sour cream, and the other one is sweet chili. I love everything with sweet chili, but it has to be really spicy. Otherwise, it's only tastes like sweets to me. It's basically like Doritos. A regular tortilla chips. Smell that? Yeah, it's a very smoked kind of smell. Yeah. Just one thing. Flavor is very good. I love the sweet chili. I love the sweetness and spiciness. But tortilla chips, not that good. It can be way better. This is way better. Yeah. I hope it will be a helpful snack trial video because I don't feel very well. After this video, I think I will be throwing up for like 30 minutes. But it's okay. It's worth it. I travel all around Europe because of my job. Because as you can see, I'm a truck driver. So if you wonder any kind of snacks or any kind of food or any kind of anything that I can buy from any supermarket or a grocery store or any store, please comment below. and I will be going there in 2 weeks maybe, because I am in a different country nearly every day. So don't forget to subscribe, because you don't know how to survive in Europe without the trolley wage. I will be waiting for you and for your comments. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.